Hello. Today I'll show you what remote play is for your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. Well, remote play is something that you can use to play on your PS4 or PS5 through an internet connection. So, you can either use your smartphone or your Windows PC or your Mac PC to do this, to play on your PS4 or 5. So, as long as you have this internet connection, you can do it. I just want to recommend that you have a reliable internet connection, so maybe it's not the best suited option to be at a location where either the Wi-Fi or your cable connection is unstable and not that fast, because the gameplay that you have receives or are dependent on a good internet connection. So if you have slow speeds of internet speed to where your location are, you are not going to get the best experience out of remote play. And if you have a good, reliable and fast internet connection, then you will have a good time with PS remote play. So just bear that in mind. There's two things, actually, there are two criteria for your PlayStation to want to allow it to participate in this remote play thing, and that is the PS5 has to be turned on. So you can either keep it on in rest mode, and there's a feature you can set that you can wake it up in rest mode, so just have it in rest mode, or just turn it on. That's up to you. And then you have to allow remote play on the PS4 or PS5, and I have made a video about that on the PS5. I'm not quite keen on how to do it on the PS4, but I know there is a lot of guides on Google or YouTube, so either search for that. So how about we just jump straight into how you can do this. So I'm going to show this on my Windows PC. So we are going to this website, and I will be linking it down in the description as well. So here you go into, and then you will click this control your PS5 console from a Windows PC. So click this, you scroll down until you see install the app. Then you have to agree to this, and then you say download. And then you click this, so you can download it. And it will prefer Danish because I am a Danish person, but I want it in English, so I just changed the language. Click next, next, install. And just keep it at that, then the program will just start itself, and click finish. And now you have to sign in with your PSN account, and I'll just go ahead and do that. And after you have logged in with your account, you will just press confirm and continue. Or either you want to modify the settings that you would like to them for going to share the information. I'm just going to do it on the limited. They do not need to get all of my information, so confirm and continue. So now we come to the point that where you have to connect the PS5 or your PS4. You can choose whenever from that. And I'll just plug in my PS5, so we can do that. Now let's see when we are going to connect to our PS5. My PS5, this could be a PS4 as well, but PS5 in this video. So click the PS5, and you just get this little prompt that you have to enable this remote play, the feature on your PS5. The same would come on the PS4, as I mentioned in the start of the video. Click OK. This will take a little time for it to check the network, and then it have to link it up. Oh, it actually was very fast. Now I can use my PS5, as you can see. I was slow this time. So yeah, now you can use the PS5, and you just have to plug in your controller to your PC. And now, as you can see, I can use my PS5. And I can go in to play video games if that's what I would like. I can change settings here in my main hub if that's what I'd like. And that's very nice with remote play, because then you can just go over to a friend and you don't have to actually bring your PS5 just only a monitor TV screen, just do bear in mind that your friend does need to have a good reliable internet connection, because then you would have a very bad experience with this. It's like if you have tried PS Now, if you don't have a reliable and good internet connection, then the games you're playing there is not very good. So bear that in mind, and that's how it works. So yeah, I hope the video has been informative and has helped you on how to set this up with your PS5. And remember, you can do this either on your smartphone, Windows PC, and Mac PC. See you in my next video. Bye.